I was a captain in the Israeli Air Force. I was a Black Hawk helicopter pilot, and I realized during the second Intifada that what the Israeli Air Force and the Israeli military is doing is a war crime, terrorizing a population of millions of Palestinians. And when I realized that, I decided to not just leave, but to organize other pilots that would publicly refuse to take part in these crimes. The Israeli military is a terrorist organization. The leaders of the military are war criminals, and the Israeli government is a Jewish supremacy government leading the whole region into a catastrophe. And this is what I believe, and I think many people now understand that. Maybe not all of them are willing to say it clearly, but this is the truth, and I have to say that.